Okay guys, we're going to go ahead and show you guys how to use the Bydureon Bcise pen. Now this is a demo pen, so we're going to show you a demonstration. So your pen is going to look just like this once you get it from the pharmacy. First thing you're going to want to do is shake it. You're going to be able to see the powder and the liquid, so you want to make sure it's nicely mixed. So make sure you shake it for 10 to 30 seconds. And then you're going to see it cloudy like this. So that's what you're aiming for. So after doing that, you're going to go ahead and unlock it. So you see a lock, the unlock, so you just twist it from the bottom, just like that. And then you're going to take the cap off. And this one's a demo pen, there you go. So just take off. And then we're going to get our alcohol wipe and a cotton ball. And we're going to get our site that we're going to do. So you want to inject on the side of your stomach. Make sure it's 3 to 4 fingers outside of your belly button area. So you're going to go ahead and clean it up. Once you clean it, then you're going to take the residue off with a cotton ball. Okay. So then we're going to get our pen. We're going to choose our site. And you're going to, the way you're going to know that the medication is in, you're going to see an orange slider go down. You want to make sure it touches the front, and that's how you know all the medication's in. So you'll see it right now. Okay, so after doing that, if you have any extra medication or anything like that, just go ahead and clean it with the cotton ball. And that's it. You put the cap back on, and it's a one-time use, so it's only once a week, and after you use it, it's already trash. And that's it. Thank you.